Hey guys, I have a dream. You can turn dreams into goals because Harvey Specter always says,
I don't have dreams, I have goals. Now it's on to the next one.
Now I've got the idea of building a wagon, something like this. Bring the shop on the road, to festivals, to businesses, and to shoot YouTube videos on location. The wagon is there for you. But to realize this dream, there is one thing I need, and that's money. This is what we calculated what I need. And it's a lot. With surviving several lockdowns and everything going up in prices, it's the one thing I can't spare right now. I actually don't feel comfortable asking this at all, but down in the description there's a link to a GoFundMe page. Try to raise money to build this wagon. Do you like the idea? Do you want to help me turn my dream into a goal and share some cool videos on here? Of course, we'll film the whole making of and everything as well. Hit the link in the description and help me out.